Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can do spiral roundabouts. As we can see, there are two lanes on the approach, left lane going left first exit and right lane going straight and right. I chose right lane as I'm going to third exit. On the approach there were two lanes, but in the roundabout there are three lanes. As we saw on the approach road markings, left lane can only go left first exit and right lane can go straight and right to the third exit. So out of these three lanes, left lane will go left first exit, middle lane will go straight second exit and right lane will go right third exit. As we are going to the right, so we'll choose right lane at this point. At this point we can see second exit in front of us and new lane starting at the right. You will find these new lane marking in front of each entrance. Only choose this lane if you are going around to the right. As we are taking third exit, which is next exit, so we will not choose this new lane but keep the lane where we are. Now we are going right, third exit. Any change? Any change? Any sign? Can you see?
Yeah.
What?
It's okay.
Yeah.
Now after this one we can go.
Which lane will you choose from here? Okay. So which exit we are taking?
Third.
So which one is this?
First.
Which one is this?
Second.
We are taking next. So which lane will we choose?
Left.
Yes. Now is it safe to increase speed?
Yes.
Okay. And what is speed? Did you see the sign on the approach?
40.
30.
30.
Yeah. So that's how you do spiral roundabout. Hope this video will help you to understand how you can do spiral roundabout without doing any mistake. If you have any question, you can leave a comment and I will get back to you. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.